Hi everyone, welcome back to AkkaraiTech. Today we are going to see top 25 complex Oracle SQL interview questions and answers. First one is find duplicate records in a table. So here we are using group by employee number, then having class first employee number, right? It will what it will show the what it will this query will show means employee number. Then second column it will show the number of records. So number of records, will suppose it is 5 records are there in particular employee number. So that record will be listed. Okay, that record will be listed here. That is a duplicate record. Nth highest salary. Second one is here we are using inline view. Select salary. This one is inline view. We are using dense rank. Then order by descending order. So subquery. So it will retrieve all the salaries. Okay, all the salaries in descending order. So in outer query, we are filtering only rank 5 records. Maybe many records may be listed because we are using dense rank analytical function here. How to find employees had in the last 30 days. Here we are using sys date minus 30 using the column higher date. It will retrieve the employees who are joined the last 30 days. How to generate numbers from 1 to 10 using level. We are using level pseudo column and then using the connect by class. Level less than equal to 10, retrieve the records 1 to 10. So how to retrieve last record which was inserted in a table. We are using this one. This one is an inline view. Another one is analytical function row number. Yeah, using the column created date. We need created date like date column. So it will retrieve the using the descending order. It will return all the records. So we are returning the first rank one, first record. That record was inserted. Say last record in a table. To extract the number part from the string, welcome 123 in Oracle SQL. We are using rich expression substring function. We are passing the string welcome 123 here. Second column is 0 to 9 plus we are using more than one number as numerical value from dual table. So it will retrieve the 1 to 3 number from the, so that is a numerical part that will be returned. So what is the output of this query? So decode, it will see first we are using two arguments, null. It will see the if it is both are equal, then it will return the first argument here. The answer is third. Answer is match. What is the output of the query? So pivot query. First here select, right? So the required columns here, column A and 10. So union all it will add the list the duplicate records also. So it's inline view. Okay. Here then we are pivot. We are using it for some amount. We are summing it. Then product in A. So here the row to column we are transforming. So answer is column A value 30. When do you use commit? So I use commit to make changes permanent after successful DML operations. So business transaction we can use the commit, and batch loads also we can use commit. It release the lock so that other users can see the changes which one user made it, where we can avoid the commit. So inside the loop and all we can avoid the commit for before verifying logic. This once committed, changes cannot be rolled back. So yes, what is the match statement syntax? So statement is matched into target table using source table. This is a condition. Then when matched, updating the target name, and not matched, then inserting that record into the table, into the target table. What happens if we run update and then create table without commit? So update is DML. This one is a DDL. Okay, even we are together. If we are using it, it will be automatically committed. The DML also automatically committed. And Oracle commits the update automatically before executing create table. Can a unique constraint allow nulls? Yes, multiple nulls are allowed. When do you choose trigger and procedure? We have business logic. How we can implement it? Can you implement it using trigger or procedure? This is what we are going to see it. Use trigger when logic must run automatically on your database events, like editing or enforcing rules. That situation we can go for triggers. I can use procedure when logic should be reusable, parameterized, and explicitly invoked by applications or users. And the next differences, triggers are event driven, procedures are action driven. Is null equal to 0 or empty string? No, null represent unknown or missing data. It is not equal to 0 or empty string or any value. How do we extract the year from date and add one? We are using extract function, year from hire date, and then we are adding one. The next year from this employee table. What is the difference between sysdate and current date? Sysdate returns the date and time of the database server. So current date returns the date and time from in the session's time zone. What is a partition burning? Oracle access only relevant partitions based on the var class. Multiple partitions will be there. So using the var class, we are retrieving records from only the kind of particular partition. It's called partition burning. What is force view? So force view, what it's doing? This table that is underlying table. Even though it is not exist, physically not it's not exist on database. Using we are using the force class. It is forcing view to create on the schema. It's called force view. We are not using in force, and then there is no table on T2, and then it will throw the error. Avoiding that one, we are using the force. What happens to sequence? numbers if the database crashes. Cached sequence numbers are lost, and then creating gaps between the sequence. What is a mutating table error? Trigger reads table, it is modifying. And that time Oracle throws the mutating error. The query that was fast yesterday, it is slow today. Why? The possible causes is statistics change. There are many statistics for many objects that is changed. The execution plan changed due to bind values. The index become unusable. Or data volume increase. These kind of situations, the query may go slow. How to add check constraint to an existing table. This is the syntax alter table name. Add constraint name, check salary greater than 0. How do you create an index for a function? So this is index create in index name on table name, this function, then column name. This way we can create a index for function. How do you refresh materials view? Manually. The package or Oracle predefined package dbms underscore view. Using the method refresh, we can these are parameters. Complete or fast. Question means either it will force to fast or complete one. Okay. Next one is how do you retrieve the source text of a stored procedure from data dictionary? Source procedure is a okay source code here they're asking. So user source is data dictionary, Oracle predefined data dictionary. The name is name, my procedure. Type is procedure, so it will retrieve the source code of the procedure. That's it. We have completed this video. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like or add comments, and don't forget to subscribe the AkkaraiTech channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.